Today we will discuss about human reproduction. As you know, reproduction is the process of producing young ones of their own kind by an organism. There are two types of reproduction, asexual reproduction and a sexual reproduction. In human beings, sexual reproduction taking place. That means male organism and female organism are required for this process. In human beings, males and females have different reproductive systems. The male reproductive system consists of pair of testes, sperm duct and penis. The testis is producing sperms. Testis produce millions of sperms. The process of producing sperms by testis is called as spermatogenesis. From the testis, sperms are carried to penis by sperm duct. Through penis, it is ejected out. The female reproductive system consists of pair of ovaries, oviduct, it is also called fallopian tube, and a uterus. Ovaries releases ova or eggs. One of the ovary releases an egg in every month. That means, suppose right ovary is releasing an egg in this month, the left ovary will release the egg in the next month. The process of releasing eggs by ovaries are called oogenesis. The process of reproduction begins when a sperm reaches the egg. The nucleus of the sperm fuses with the nucleus of the egg. This process is called fertilization. That means the process of fusion of male gamete and female gamete is called fertilization. The fertilized egg is called zygote. The fertilization mostly takes place inside the oviduct or fallopian tube. After fertilization, the zygote divides and moves towards the uterus. It is implanted inside the wall of the uterus. When it is implanted in the wall of the uterus, an organ called the placenta develops. The developing embryo takes place inside the uterus. The embryo is enclosed in a thin membrane called amnion. It is filled with a watery fluid called amniotic fluid. After a few weeks, the embryo begins to resemble like a human being. It is called a fetus. Attached to the navel of the fetus, a flexible strand called the umbilical cord, it is connected with the placenta in the uterus of the mother. It supplies nutrients and oxygen to the developing child. It also takes away carbon dioxide and waste material from child's body to the mother's circulatory system. For the full development of the child requires 36 to 40 weeks or 9 months. This duration is called a gestation period or pregnancy. After the full development of the child inside the mother's womb, the mother gives birth to the child.